we can see gold is also making an ascending triangle as here. We can see that the market is making an ascending triangle or an M pattern or an double top. We can see a test towards the trend line, sum of around 1740, and bounces off from there, breaking or however breaking short term, or we can also see and break through this resistance line. Now coming on an 4 hourly chart. Now coming on 4 hourly chart, we can see that the market is making an channel, as I will show you. Here, thus this theory indicates that the market has tested the resistance on a 4 hourly chart, and we can see a bounce off through the support line, which is some around 1723. Now concluding that what trade, whether we should go long or short on the opening on Monday. Now taking all the perspective explained in this video, now I will tell you that if we see a break through the trend line, which I will draw, thus triggering a sale position. Let me tell you that I always take my position on an 4 hourly chart, neither on 1 weekly or nor on daily chart. Thus if we see a break through this trend line, thus a sale position can be created with a stop loss just placed above 1752, and the TP would be some around 1725, which will provide us an stop, which will provide us an risk to reward as shown. The risk to reward would be some around 1:4. That's a great risk to reward. However, if we see a candle being closed, 4 hourly candle being closed above the resistance line, thus as explained on the weekly chart, we can see the market moving towards 1780, which is our long term resistance zone. Thus an sale position can be created over there with an TP of 1725. But what I am expecting, or what I am believing, that the market would break the trend line, as the fundamentals are supporting the gold market due to the US China trade war. Thus we can potentially see the market testing towards 1780 to 1790 zone. Thus what I will do, I will wait for the market to test 1780 zone and created an sale position. However, for now I have created an long position on Friday, which was some around 1733, and I am currently in profits, but I will not close my long position, as I believe the market would test the above resistance. Thus, if you want to trade on the Monday, we can go bullish on the test, go long on the test of the resistance line. However, a break of resistance line will indicate that we will test the support zone once more, as we have been doing in past, and thus a bounce off could be expected from that support zone. Now coming on in 30 minutes chart, we can also see an bull flag as I will show you. Over here, thus a bull flag is a continuation pattern for bullish momentum, and the bear flag is the continuation pattern for the bearish momentum. Thus, if we what I'm expecting is a breakthrough as explained before and a test towards 1780. Now seeing this bullish flag on a 15 minutes chart, we can see a clear picture. Okay, the bullish pattern only occurs when we see an volatile bullish move in gold, as we have seen. Thus, now concluding my prediction and analysis is that what I am expecting the market to break through the short-term resistance testing the 1780 zone. Thus, a sale position can be created within TP or within SL stop loss just placed around 1800 zone, and the TP would be just placed around 1725. Now we will be seeing the fundamentals moving the market next week. On Tuesday, May 19, we have Fed Chairman Powell testifies. Why trader cares about the event taking place on Tuesday, May? The Fed Chair Powell testify as he is the head of central bank which controls the short-term interest rate, and the gold is directly connected to the interest rate, as if the interest rate increases, the gold price would decrease. However, if the interest rate decreases, the gold price would increase. The Fed chair has more influence over the nation currency value, which is US, than other person in whole United States. The trader examine this public engagement as they are often used to drop subtle clues regarding the future monetary policy, such as in order to combat the economic disaster created by coronavirus, the Fed can improve or increase the money supply into the country, which will boost the price of gold and let the gold price to break the resistance and testing the resistance of 1780. Moreover, on Thursday, May 21, we have flash manufacturing PMI. Usual effect is actual greater than the forecasted, which is 37.5, isn't good for currency, which means it's bad for gold or other currencies in which US is an quote currency, such as Euro USD. If the digit is greater than expected, thus Euro USD, we can take an sale position, as the euro would lose its value and the USD is getting strength. It is a leading indicator of an economic health. Business reacts quickly to the market condition on their purchasing manager holds perhaps the most current and relevant insight into the company's view of the economy. Thus, this provides the detail of the companies. Thus, if the forecast value for flash PMI is 37.5, if the higher number than 37.5, example 38.1 or 39.1 or more, would trigger an sale position for gold or any base currency in which we have USD as in quote currency. And if the numbers are lower than 37.5, like 36.1 or 35.1 or more, decrease in the number would trigger a buy position for gold or any other currency in which USD is in quote currency. On next, again we have Fed Chair Powell. Speaks, which will tell us or give us an further subtle clues about the monetary policies the which Fed is looking forward to implement. Thanks for watching my analysis and forecast. If you do like it, do like, share and comment below to tell whether do you agree and disagree. And if you want this weekly analysis and the daily update, do consider subscribing. Thanks.